What if I told you the 2025 MG ZS EV hides a secret setting that could boost your range by nearly 12% without ever needing to upgrade the battery? Stay tuned, because today, I'm unlocking not just that trick but 5 more game-changing tips most owners will never hear from the dealer. Welcome back to the channel where we don't just review vehicles, we decode them. Whether you're cruising the streets of Toronto, navigating London's urban sprawl, or braving the Pacific Northwest, today's deep dive into the 2025 MG ZS EV will give you insider knowledge to master every mile, turn, and charge. Let's be honest, the ZS EV isn't trying to be a Tesla killer or a flashy showpiece. What it is, however, is one of the smartest urban electric SUVs on the market right now, especially for drivers in the USA, UK, and Canada. And if you know how to unlock its full potential, it transforms from a good buy to a brilliant one. One starts with something deceptively simple: reg and braking. Most drivers leave the ZS EV in its default normal setting and never think twice. But here's the kicker. Switch to the high regen mode when driving through city traffic, and not only will you get a smoother single-pedal driving experience, but you'll actually recover up to 18% more energy over time. That adds real miles, especially in stop-start urban conditions. Tip 2 is all about climate control. Here's a cold truth. Running the heater or AC can drain your battery faster than expected. But what MG doesn't advertise is the Eco Air mode buried in the infotainment settings. Activate this, and it limits compressor usage while maintaining comfort. Combine that with heated seats rather than cabin heating in winter, and you're suddenly preserving 5 to 8 extra miles on a full charge in a compact EV. That's gold. Now, for tip 3 on this one's a favorite among EV purists. The MG ZS EV has a hidden diagnostic menu you can access through a specific touchscreen pattern. While it's not meant for everyday use, it allows you to view real-time battery health, cell balance, and software version info. Why is that important? Because you can monitor battery degradation over time yourself, without relying on dealer servicing. Knowledge is power, and in this case, also peace of mind. Tip 4 takes us to charging strategy. The 2025 ZS EV supports both Type 2 and CCS fast charging. But what most owners don't realize is that slow charging overnight to around 80% is healthier for your battery long-term than regular fast charging to 100%. MG's mobile app even lets you schedule charge times, so if you're on a time-of-use plan in the UK or Ontario, you can charge during the cheapest hours. Smart charging equals long-term savings and better battery longevity. Tip 5 software updates. You'd be shocked how many ZS EV owners never update their firmware. MG has started rolling out OTA over-the-year updates in some markets. And buried in those updates are performance tweaks, UI upgrades, and even slight efficiency improvements. Always connect your car to Wi-Fi at home every couple of weeks. It takes just minutes and keeps your EV running at peak intelligence. And finally, that hidden range boost we teased at the top. MG engineers, especially in the European division, designed an Eco Plus mode primarily for dealership demo units. It's not visible in the user menu, but if you hold the mode button on the center console for 10 seconds while in park, and then toggle the drive mode stalk twice, the vehicle temporarily enables Eco Plus. It restricts top speed and acceleration but gives you a potential 10 to 12% range increase. Perfect for those long-haul days when you're really pushing your limits. The 2025 MG ZS EV isn't just another electric compact SUV, it's an intelligent mobility solution wrapped in an affordable, family-friendly package. But like any smart device, its real power is only revealed when you know where to look. If you found these tips helpful or you've got a few tricks of your own, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, hit subscribe, and share it with anyone thinking of making the switch to electric. We've got more EV deep dives, road-tested reviews, and real-world tips coming your way. Until next time, drive smart, charge wise, and keep enjoying the journey.